hair tutorial on my model Emilee today. We're gonna do like a prom top hairstyle and then a formal makeup look. So I'm gonna start today with this Invisible Dry Shampoo by Garnier Fructis. It's Refresh and Volume. I haven't ever tried it before, so we'll see. I just got it from Target. I take the hair in sections because she has really thick hair, so to make sure you get at the root on all of it. Okay, I'm going to take the hair in sections and section it off. And I'm going to be using a 1-inch barrel wand from Lange. I don't really use this one very often, but since I watched a video the other day, a girl used one. It was the tapered one though. It looked really good. And I was like, I need to use mine more, so I'm gonna try that. Oh. So heavy.
Yeah.
You typically want to take 1-inch sections when using a curling wand or curling iron. You want to hold it down and wrap it and try to wrap it flat. Try not to twirl it when you're wrapping it.
How long do you hold it for?
I usually hold it for 5 seconds, but since it's not hot, I'm gonna have to recall that one because it's not very hot. But this was a little thicker, but if you take a thicker piece, you do want to leave it on the wand a little bit longer so that the heat penetrates through the whole strand of hair. You kind of want to cup it in your hand until it kind of cools so that you don't just let it fall out. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to make sure that it's flat so that each piece of hair is touching the barrel. And you can spray each piece as you go. I usually like to wait till the end and spray it, but it's whatever you prefer. If you have finer hair, you can probably take bigger sections, but if you have thicker hair, you need to take smaller sections because it's going to take longer for the heat to penetrate through the thicker hair than it would the thinner hair. Now we are about to let down the second layer, so I'm going to spray this. And the hairspray I'm using is the Bedhead Masterpiece. It's Massive Shine Hairspray. It smells like pineapples.
What is that you put on my hair before?
It is a gloss. I think it's called Super Skinny by Paul Mitchell. And it's just an oil that kind of helps with frizz and protects your hair. Kind of like a heat protectant. I usually spray, but I don't want your hair to be too sticky since we're going to be braiding it. Yeah. So I just decided to put a little bit of oil on there. go get my spray because I forgot my primer spray. Okay, we're gonna let the
Hair cool.
yeah, the curls cool and set in. So we're gonna start with her base. I'm starting in with the Set and Fresh setting spray by Morphe. This is the strawberry scent. It's by Jeffree. Yeah, it's by Jeffree Star, so it's the limited edition one. But the black one, that's the original, and it works just fine. I use it too. And I just recently bought some more because they're half off, and I tried the peach scent. This one is the Angelville NYX primer. I'm putting it on with a damp beauty sponge.
I don't know if you remember, but I'm terrible when it comes to mascara. I'm gonna try my best and close whatever you need and not blink 100 times.
Okay.
But I blink a lot. I kind of gave up on the makeup thing when it came up because of that.
Next, we're gonna do foundation. I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation because Brianna Lynch said something about it in one of her videos, so I wanted to try it out. This one is in the shade Porcelain. Spray again.
Really smells good.
And then I'm going to be using, it's the banana powder, but I have it in a different container because if you buy Revolution banana powder, it comes in like a little sprinkle thing. So I put it in a little jar so that I could dip my brush into it. And I just dab it on there to kind of set the foundation in so it won't do any streaks. This powder has a little bit of a yellow tint to it, which is kind of good because the foundation was so light that it you don't want to wash her out, so putting a little bit of a darker powder kind of evens it out. Okay, let's spray again. That just helps your makeup stay all day and doesn't crease in weird places. Okay. I'm gonna do bronzer. This is a contour mini bronzer by Sugar. Looks like this. It's in a little purple thing. I think it came in an Ipsy bag. It's kind of it's a good shade because it's not too warm and not too cool, so it goes pretty much with everyone's skin tone. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this ColourPop blush. I don't know what shade it is because I bought the pan and just put it in there. Going with eyeshadow. This is the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. This is a eyeshadow primer. It's just the Ulta Beauty brand. Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Shades and just go underneath the brow bone. Then I'm going to take this cream shadow brush and spray a little bit of this setting spray on it. I'm going to put both of these glitters. Okay. You don't want to do it right now or just?
Whenever you get done with that one right there.
Right here, tiny piece.
So I already probably pin this and then maybe pull it out a little bit. But I'll probably try to re-braid it. I'm not the fastest at braiding, so we just did a French braid. It probably would do better if you know how to Dutch braid. But anyway, so that's that, and I'm gonna do her. I'm gonna do her eyeshadow. Finish her eyeshadow up. And sit up for this. What did I do with my palette?
I don't know.
Oh, it's underneath this. I put a little glitter on the lids already, but I'm going to take this Super Shock Shadow and in the shade Birthday Girl and apply it with my finger because it gets the most pigment if you use your finger. I used a damp brush earlier, but this will just make it even more glittery.
Those tongue twisters.
Yeah.
Shadow.
The 3 S's. Super Shock Shadow. I'm going to go in with the Merrill Norman Pro Pen Eyeliner. This one's in Sharp Brown. Lip stain. This one's Victoria's Secret's Stay a While. And then we should be done. Maybe it's not super long, that video. Okay, all done.